Presenting Sunon Office Table. The table comes with a sturdy build and has two metal legs that ensure stability. The metal legs have a thick powder coating that makes them very strong. The top panel is made of E0 particle board which has a scratch-resistant and anti-collision design that protects it from daily wear and tear. The table offers a large space so that you can use it as a computer desk. You can also use it for writing jobs and even as a dinner table. There is plenty of leg room to rest comfortably and relax. You will get a grommet to manage table wires hassle-free. The adjustable leg pads allow you to keep the table properly on the floor. The table has smooth edge banding with rounded corners that will not hurt your hands. The table is water repellent and dust repellent and odorless and requires less maintenance. It is also easy to scrub so that you can clean it effortlessly whenever needed. The table comes in 3 color variants of black, coffee and grey. The dimensions of the table are 47 inches in length by 23 inches in width by 29 inches in height, and it weighs 19 kilograms. The product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.